Day 13 of whatever fucking challenge this is. I'm taking a piss. Morning people. So today I'm just gonna talk some shit. So I finished my workout, but what I had to do was drop some of the exercises that I was doing and like redo the other exercises that I was doing because of this habit that people seem to have got into of sitting on machines for like 10, 15, 20 minutes. Like, I get it, like you gotta rest and do whatever in between. You haven't really gotta rest that long, but what do I know, I'm just a personal trainer. Anyway, it fucks with routines for other people, but by the by.